Essential skills for a successful logistics analyst. Logistics analysts are responsible for managing and optimizing transportation operations, so it's essential to develop a specific set of skills to excel in this role. Apart from the educational and experience requirements, here are some critical skills that a logistics analyst should possess. Analytical skills. As a logistics analyst, you'll be working with large amounts of data related to supply chain and transportation operations. It's essential to possess excellent analytical skills to gather, organize, and analyze this data effectively. To make this process smoother, establishing standard operating procedures is akin to having a secret superpower up your sleeve. This skill helps you make sense of the vast amounts of information and identify patterns or trends that can help improve logistics processes. Problem-solving skills. Logistics operations can face various challenges, such as unexpected delays, damaged goods, or supply chain disruptions. A logistics analyst must possess strong problem-solving skills to address these issues efficiently. They need to think on their feet and develop quick solutions that minimize the impact of any problems on the supply chain. Communication skills. Logistics analysts work closely with various stakeholders, including suppliers, carriers, and internal teams. Therefore, excellent communication skills are necessary to convey information effectively and maintain positive relationships with all parties involved. Clear communication also ensures that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities, reducing the chances of miscommunication.